Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome back to Shortcutmaster. Okay, today I am going to analyze the motion of a freely projected body in the vertical upward direction. Okay, so I want to analyze this motion of the body by using three number of methods. Again, I am repeating all of you. Today I am going to analyze the motion of a body which is projected in the vertically upward direction by using three number of methods. First one is kinematic equation. Second thing is conservation of energy, and third thing is nothing but work energy principle. All these three number of methods are giving the same solution for us. Okay, so all of you, let us see. Have some patience. Okay, so first of all, I'm having the ground level like this. Okay, so this is the ground level we have, right? So I'm projecting the body in the vertically upward direction. So this is the velocity we have, such that I'm projecting with a velocity of u meters per second. Initial velocity is u meters per second we have. And you know very well, after reaching the maximum height, definitely the final velocity will be equal to 0. V is equal to 0. Okay, and since you are projecting the body in the vertically upward direction, the body is said to be retarding, and we have to substitute A equal to minus G. Now, in this case, the thing is, I want to calculate the maximum height reached by the body. Okay, so what I am trying to say is, I am doing the same problem or the same analysis with different types of methods. Okay, then we can have the good what we can say good understanding of engineering mechanics. Okay, so first of all, I'm going for method number one, the simple method or the general method. You can just understand method number one. I'm going for all of you. All right, okay. Now yes, in this method, what I'm trying to do is we have to bring out the maximum height. Okay, for that, initial velocity is known, final velocity is known, maximum height we have to bring out. That means displacement we have to bring out. Initial and final velocities are known for us. So can we apply an equation that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as or not? Yes. Blindly applying in the vertically upward motion or the vertically upward direction. Okay. So at the maximum height, velocity will be equal to 0, all of you. Okay. So initially we have velocity of u as it is u square. So 2 multiplied by minus g multiplied by it becomes h maximum. Okay. So can we write this one as simply h maximum is definitely equal to u square divided by 2 into g or not? Yes. Therefore, this is the general method, okay, which is used to determine the maximum height when a body is projected in the vertically upward direction. Now I am going for method number two. Let us see all of you. Okay, so in the method number two, I am going for the principle of conservation of energy, because there is no loss in energy. There is no loss in the energy. There is only conversion of energy from one form to another form. I am writing all of you. Okay, so here I am writing one point clearly, that is okay. The total energy always remains constant. Okay, if you assume this one as level number one and this one as level number two, I'm just saying that all of you, the total energy at the level one is always equal to the total energy at the level two, all of you. Am I right? Yes. Total energy will be always nothing but what? Potential energy plus kinetic energy, okay, at level 1, that is equal to potential energy plus again kinetic energy at the level 2. Okay, so let us assume this one as a datum line, all of you. We have to assume a certain reference, all of you. Okay, and can I say a point, all of you, that we are throwing the body with the maximum velocity from the ground level or not? Yes. Okay, therefore I can say that since we are throwing from the ground level and we are taking ground level as the first level, therefore this potential energy has to become 0 because there is no height. Okay, and here we have some velocity and thing, but half into mv square. At the maximum height, the kinetic energy is becoming 0. Okay, but this body is reaching a height that is nothing but h maximum is the height reached by the body. Potential energy. Okay, potential energy is the energy possessed by the body due to virtue of its height. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body due to virtue of its motion. Okay, so here I am taking this one as half into m into u square, that is equal to simply nothing but mg into h maximum. Okay, so by cancelling this mass m, you will be getting finally h maximum value as u square divided by 2 into g, all of you. There is a picture. Am I right, all of you? This. Next one. I'm going for method number 3, all of you. Very important thing. Okay. So in the method number 3, we shall go for work done is equal to change in kinetic energy principle. Nothing but what? Simply we can take it as work energy principle. Method or principle. So my duty is telling the maximum possible methods for you, because this will be helpful for you in the GATE and ESE examination, especially in the subject of engineering mechanics, for sure. Okay, so work done will be always equal to the change in the kinetic energy, we can write. Okay, all of you. And next thing is what, here the body is moving in the vertically upward direction. Okay, that means the displacement of the body is upward, but weight of the body is acting downward. Can I say point all of you that okay? Can I say point all of you that the weight is a force? Okay, that means this force is acting opposite to displacement or not. Weight is acting downward, displacement is upward, means both are opposite direction. And when force is opposite to weight, I can say one point all of you that work done by the weight will be always negative, and this has to become definitely H maximum. Okay, is equal to half into mv square minus, we can take it as half into mv square. So one more point I want to say, very well, work done is always equal to what? F into S multiplied by cos theta. What is the meaning of theta? Theta stands for what? Theta stands for angle between force and displacement. Okay, so final velocity after reaching the maximum, it has to become 0. So here we can take it as W into H maximum, okay, will be always equal to half multiplied by m into initial velocity. Can I cancel this m with small g or not? Because weight is always equal to mass into gravity. Okay, so after rearrangement and after getting cancelled this minus, you will be getting always thing nothing but u square by 2 into g. So my dear students, what I want to say is, sometimes all of you, conservation of energy is there. No, conservation of energy might be an alternative method for the work energy principle, but not always. Okay, I want to say one point for you clearly. If you go for work energy method, you have to know the work done by all the forces. We have to know work done by internal forces, external force, everything we have to go for. But if you go for conservation of energy, no need to go for all those things. Therefore, I am giving totally 3 number of methods for you. Okay. Not only in this case. In this case, actually, we are projecting the body in the vertically upward direction at an angle of how much? 90 with the ground level. If you throw a body at an angle unequal to 90, it will trace a parabolic path and reaches the ground level. Okay. To that case also, all these 3 methods are possible. Definitely, they will give the same solution for you. So, my dear students, all of you, okay, keep watching. Subscribe my channel, that is Shortcut Master, for getting or for knowing more possible methods for one single solution. Okay. Thank you. Bye.